Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice here in Stellaris, in which we just commenced construction of our first colony ship. And I forgot to do a couple of little things. One, I'll point out, so I did look at the wiki, and it turns out we should be able to settle Rimborth 3, where we have some pre-sentient species. It's Stone Age species that we're not allowed to do anything with. It's a little weird. But yeah, we can do pre-sentients, but we can't do this for a good long while because tropical colonization is a little ways off. I think technically we can live there, but gosh, 20% habitability kind of stinks. So we'll work up to that. We'll get some tropicals into our play. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Maybe once we get genetic manipulation, we'll play with that a little bit. One thing I didn't do, however, is let's go over our policies and edicts. We're not going to do any edicts at this point. I was considering encourage free thought, but ethics divergence, that'll actually give us ethics divergence. I just don't feel like dealing with that right now, so I won't. We currently have static war economy, which I'll just do that. Prohibited slavery, prohibited purge. Why would we do that? Why would we do that? Let's make people happy and join our lovely republic. We're going to actually move our orbital bombardment to light. We don't want to destroy anything. We want to keep everything as it is. It's thrifty. We don't have to build anything up again. Native interference, we have active study. Native enlightenment is allowed. We will enlighten folks so they can join our lovely and serene republic, right? Free migration, prohibited resettlement. Just don't really feel like dealing with that. Free vote, we will be changing this to Xenos and stuff. Oh, what is that? Oh yeah, leadership will change that to Xenos as well. And peaceful first contact protocol. So there we go. We have met another empire. We don't know who they are, but we know they're up in this area up here. So we'll see what happens. We have plenty of money, which comes from, being Venice. But there you go. Our construction ship, while not being truly lazy, should go up here and build us a mining station, because that's what construction ships are good for.
System survey.
This survey is actually not, or this system's not too bad. 4 energy and 2 society research. Not bad. We currently have a mandate to build some, what are they called? We have a mandate to build, science ship is lazy. Oops. To build research stations, but we don't actually have the available research stations to do it. So we're not going to do that. Thank you, construction ship. Come on over. Oof. Construction ship, come here. Get me minerals first. We're going at fastest speed just to get the early part out of the way. Not out of the way, just, just done. So there is a habitable world here, but it's a desert. We'll deal with that later. And our colony ship is ready to go. So come on over here. We're coming to Ugarasti 4A. It is a moon of a desert world, and we are going to settle right there. Get additional food, plus plenty of lovely places to synergize. What's the word? Adjacency bonus. That's what it is. Science ship. Before you wander off and finish that, come on over.
Research complete.
Here. Okay, research. Yeah. Deflectors. Okay, what are we doing next? Administrative AI. I want it. Additional research speed, and there are several things that come after that that will be very good. Our colony ship has made a gentle splashdown in the moon-spanning ocean of Zara, just off the shores of a large archipelago. This fertile island chain will serve as an excellent first landing site. The ship has been permanently anchored in preparation for its conversion into the administrative headquarters of the new settlement. There we go. Small tents and prefab shelters and all that good stuff. So, what are we doing on Zara? Do we want to... Oh wait, we're just waiting for it. Yeah, we're actually still making money, which is pretty good. It is a great day for Venice. And now that we have settled something, actually that means that we need to worry about having our military ready to go. Now, construction ship, I want some money. Oh, that's paused. Oops. And then, yeah, we'll do with that. I almost sent the construction ship over here to keep building stations, but I'm not sure that we can do that quite yet. Oops. Our science ship Cassini is wandering on over here. What do we got? Anything really good? No. Tundra. Oh, hey, hang on. Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay, well, so we have a 22 size ocean world, which of course we can colonize immediately. That's a pretty good one. Where would we go? Where would we go? It's alright. We'd probably just stick it right there. Okay, well, that's good to know. Hey, how long before we can build a new colony ship? Let's just wait here next to the... with our hand next to the button. Oh, first things first. Oh, maybe not. But colony ship, 298. Yeah, let's do it. Construction ship, get over here. Enter orbit. Actually, don't enter orbit there. Hang on. Construction ship, don't do that. Enter orbit here. There we go. Yeah, it looks like we're expanding up here, and we may... Ooh, and there's a research station available, which means we may actually complete our mandate. You never know. Scientist Wilbert Erizo has leveled up. So, what does that mean for you? 60% failure risk over here. Yeesh. And where's the other one? 15%. Eh, we'll deal with that later. Let's let him level up one more time. What do we need the most here? Here's the question. We need another colony ship. At this stage of the game, more colony ships are always a good idea. So let's time go forward, and we're just waiting until this. Why don't you research that? 7% anomaly. And I'm not reading any of these texts. If you're really interested in which anomalies these are, go ahead and go back and take a look. But hey, we've met Castile. They appear to have successfully translated our language. Diplomatic channels are now open, and all hostilities between us have ceased for the moment. So let's see what happens. They speak on behalf of the should be Castilians. I screwed that up. I came with a message for your depraved species. As long as you stay out of our internal affairs and treat our great leader, Empress Isabella, with reverence, there may yet be peace between our nations. They are evangelizing zealots. Yep. And we could learn much from each other, Castilians. Let's see how they feel about us. So news has spread to our folks that we have met other people, and it turns out they kind of hate us, and yet people are still kind of happy to see us. But their level of people are still kind of happy to see aliens, even if they kind of hate us. So this is indeed a momentous occasion. So let's take a look at who these people are. First off, where are they? Yeah, they're over here, as I suspected. So one of those systems that we surveyed was actually in their territory, which is a thing. Let's take a look. Contacts. Empires. They like us by -32, or dislike us by -32. So let's establish an embassy, because what else are we going to do with our embassies? We have 4 of them. Come on, just throw it at them. For some reason, someone has towed an asteroid to the stable orbit around Dradium 4. Where's that? Over here? Okay, so The massive engine sections and braking thrusters can still be found on the surface, although they have long since been rendered inoperable. Whoever did this also mined the asteroid for minerals, but these operations were seemingly abandoned shortly after they began. So we... Oh, it got us 3 engineering research. Excellent. Not us, but got that site 3 engineering research. But we're going to settle there fairly soon. Speaking of, how is our progress on...
Anomaly found.
I want another thing. Survey completed. Oh, interesting. Our... what's it called? The Habitable World Survey finished. So people are happy about that. And we have a 0% failure risk. Heat signatures indicate some activity below the surface of a frozen world. Interesting. And Castile has given us an embassy. We're probably the only people that they can find as well. So, what else are we going to do with these embassies, right? Might as well do something with them.
Colony established.
There we go. We're making money. Hang on. Zara. So what do we got? Okay, so we're going to here. That's fine. Wow, look at that ethics diversion. It's rough. Let's build... Hang on. Let's build a colony ship because I think we can do so exactly right now. Exactly right now. Come here. Spaceport. Build. Oh, 298. Oh, hang on. Okay. Some species thrive in harsh environments, such as the chilly biosphere of Dradim 5. Science officer Wilberto Arizzo has taken a special interest in one of the types of creature that skitter across the planet's face and is of the belief that they may achieve sentience with just a push in the right direction. Hang on. Oh, man. Dradim is becoming a very, very interesting place. Dradim has... Yep. Happy bugs. Now this is an Arctic world, or tundra world, which we'll get to eventually, but yeah. Not something we can get to super soon. Come on, go away. Okay, now just sit here with our hand on the button here. Colony ship, go! Okay.
System survey complete.
So we will be sending that over to Dradim as soon as we possibly can. Hang on. And this is what I do. Okay, so there are, it looks like, space amoeba. How bad are they? Also, there's a size 16 ocean world. We'll have to play that. Let's see if they attack or if they go away. We have to tell them to leave immediately.
Research complete.
Go away. Go away. Engineering Facility 1 is done, which is probably good, actually. Ooh, Betharian power plants. Hey, you know what Betharian power plants do? They give you money. Let's do it. Money sounds like something that Venetians would do, right? Oh, hey, hang on. Who is this? Oh, it's the Space Squid. Very nice. Very nice to meet you. Oh, hey, hang on. Also, let's look at our... Do we want to investigate the alpha and beta aliens? Let's see if it'll let us do both. Yeah, we can do both. That's fine. What's this look like? Hazra 2 is not a bad world. Yeah. Not sure exactly where we'd settle. It's kind of... I mean, the obvious spot would be here, but that would mess some science up, so Let's see what else we can do. We'll have a colony ship ready fairly shortly. Okay. You're about to get a little too close to that guy for my comfort, so let's not do that. Let's have this guy work his way around this loop. Come back to Gillis over here. You, survey this system instead. Skip this one. Okay, colony ship. How long on you? Oh wow. Under 80 days. 60 days. There we go. Well, we know where it's gonna go. That's for sure. Oh, hey. I don't remember how strong that alien vessel was. Do we want to send our fleet out? Better yet, do we just want to build more fleet? Let's build some more fleet. Yeah, let's build some more fleet. And our construction ship should get going on some stuff. Like, maybe just build a research station. There we go. Let's actually try to get some research stations. Hang on.
Complete.
Let's research that 15% failure risk. Let's do that. And yeah, we'll do the special remote project for Space Amoeba Stick.
Situation log updated. Special project complete.
On the Tiyanki, we are to keep a venerable distance from the... I don't know what they are. We get frequency tuning. Yeah, we get frequency tuning. Okay. Anything good in this system? No. Man, this system over here, Dradim, that's so good. Has a really great... There we go. Figures. Has a really great ocean world and so many places to stick research stuff. And we can colonize this bug world. Okay, the birth of space piracy has happened. They call themselves the Void Serpents. There's a couple. There's at least one typo in there, but that's okay. Let's take our first flota, our first fleet. And actually, let's wait till a couple of these corvettes pop out. And then we'll go find these guys. A small scout craft of some kind plowed into the surface of this asteroid millennia ago, creating a shallow canyon. There's no visible cockpit on the ship, leading our scientists to believe it was either piloted by remote or through some kind of primitive artificial intelligence. The ship, well, we got 60 research. We will study its design. That's fine. Hang on. Ah, pirate fleet. How's first flota? Let's get us a leader. This is why I want all of my... Whoa, that's a lot of influence. Never mind. That's quite a bit of influence. Do we want high evasion? Ooh, just really good speed. Lots of evasion. Okay, so, okay. 5% evasion versus 15%. Okay, 5% evasion plus some other stuff versus 15 evasion and nothing else versus a lot of leader experience gain. Let's go Gale speed. Let's do it. Andrea Priuli, let's stick you somewhere. How long before? Ooh, 58 days. I'll wait. Or I won't wait. Let's get straight to Capella. Take the fight to the Void Serpents. Hang on. Hang on. Just kidding. Why don't you go here? Oh, hey, I have a colony ship. I should do something about that colony ship. Colony ship, hey, come here. Colonize planet. Settle. Probably right here. No, here. Yeah, settle right here. Okay, fleet, what are you doing? Go after him.
Station under attack.
Go after them, thank you. They may take down our station, but they'll never take our freedom. I mean, they'll never, yeah. We may lose a ship or two out of this. Or not. Maybe not. No, we did, actually.
Situation log updated.
Hey, sweet! This new, this is my first time actually playing with the new update. So, yes, we lost one Corvette. That's okay, we just built one. And we inflicted a bunch of stuff. Inflicted a lot of laser weapon damage. As expected, they inflicted laser weapon damage because they had the same, tech as we do. So, let us send everybody here. Send our fleet back home. Wow, we're at 55% health. Eek! And at some point soon, we will be turning the speed down because, I mean, that's, yeah, it's a thing. Debris and, yeah, Agorasti, we're not going to be playing with that. I don't think. It's the same tech that we already have, so there's really no need for it. Hang on. Oh, okay. Construction ship, you're being lazy, so come on over here. Build a research station, thank you.
System
And then
survey complete.
build a different research station. When does this guy leave office? That's my question. 22. It's fairly soon, so actually construction ship. Hold shift. Go here. Shoot, we're just gonna have to have you enter orbit. I swear I was pressing shift when I said that. Construction ship. Hang on. Yeah, do this. Yeah, build research station. There we go. Science ship is lazy. Survey system. Once our fleet is finished, we should send him up over here. Never mind, we're not sending our fleet after that. I forgot how strong that was. That's plenty strong. Okay. What's going on here in Baidan? No ocean worlds. That's okay. First flota has been fully repaired. Good. Hang on. It's a new campaign. No! I wasn't done with my stuff. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. That's fine. Oh, my spaceport module isn't there yet. Yeah, this new election. That's too bad. Didn't finish our stuff. Maybe we will. Go and build that research station. By the time you're done with that... Hang on. Okay, Marco Contarini has been elected as President of the Serene Republic of Venice. Okay, check out our mandate. Minor mandate, interesting. Oh. Mining stations, but we've built so many mining stations already. We've already done that. Like, that's dumb. Okay, left promises unfulfilled. That's too bad. It is too bad. Ongoing research lacks scientist. Oh, because... Yeah, they stole one of our scientists to become president. So, that won't stand. Survey speed, don't want it. Meticulous, don't want it. Not for this. Looks like we're going with Vitale Ziani. Field manipulation, let's do it. So we may need to move some folks around here, and that's okay. That's okay. Promises unfulfilled. That is really too bad. It's really too bad. Now, at what point do we want to build a second survey ship? It'll have to happen. I'm glad we've dealt with our pirates already. What was this?
Research complete.
Oh, colony established. Oh, right. Yeah. Okay. We have an actual colony there. There we go. Let's see what he's doing. Yeah, that'll be just fine. Let's get you a farm. Basic hydroponics farm. No. Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait on that. Actually, I'm gonna move him. And actually, no, we'll do this. was going to say I'll wait until I can build some more mining stations, but we're kind of built out on mining stations. That's silly. That's so dumb. That's so dumb. Construction ship, I can't believe you.
Research complete.
Hang on. A couple of research is done. Ooh! Looks like we're going to go toxic kelp removal. Partly because it's easy. Propaganda broadcasts. That makes people happy. When do we start running up against these tile blockers? That's a real question. It's gonna be a little bit, honestly. No, it's not. Not really. Not when I really took a look at it. So society research. Let's get this tile blocker done. We'll get planetary unification soon enough. Okay. Fusion power? Solar panel network. Oh, we didn't research that yet. Oh, yeah. Well, it's money. Let's do it. So the solar power network is a thing for your... It basically makes your stations cost less. It's pretty worthwhile. It's so annoying that we're not going to be able to fulfill that mandate. Even this mandate. We've already failed one mandate. We're going to fail another one. Build mining station. We'll build one. Isn't one cool? No, not really. I am tempted. Hang on.
Anomaly found.
To throw down a thing over here to claim Rimworth, but I don't think so. Now that anomaly was 5%, so we of course are going to go for it because, yeah, how many times do we gotta flip a coin to fail that? It'll happen. Sheets of organic material drifting through the upper layers of the atmosphere. Don't know whether these things are flora or fauna, or what possible purpose, if any, their elaborate shadow casting might serve. Wow. I didn't realize that was +6 society research on that place. That's a pretty worthwhile spot. I don't know what we're going to do with that spot, but we will have to figure it out next time. So we'll survey this system, just, survey the system. Our construction ship is lazy, so we'll have him build a new research station, which this costs more now. Right, because Vitale Faliero was... Yeah. It was reducing the prices of things, so okay, that's fine. So we are well underway. We have 2 new colonies. One of them is actually in a pretty nice little system and is a pretty nice planet all on its own. And we are, well, we're seeing what's around us. We've met Castile, and they don't really like us. Actually, do they like us now? They officially like us, actually. They are pretty okay with us. Have you heard the good news? Oh, yeah, of course, because they're evangelizing zealots. Yeah, that makes sense. Xenophobia. Yep. Voting rights policy. Yep. Border friction. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, so Castile, we'll never be friends, but we'll probably keep it cordial. Actually, are we cordial? Are we cordial? Yeah, we're cordial. We're cordial. It'll be good. It's fine. We're cordial. And I think that is the state of the world. So one of these days we will see... Oh, hey, it's true. There can be a... this is a dead-end star. We'll check it out someday. One of these days we'll see who else is around us. Hopefully they're friendly. And we will go from there. But until then, I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. And I do, in fact, look forward to seeing you next time.